Mark Zuckerberg really wants you to believe that AI is good, but even the ad campaign for Meta's AI efforts feature very little AI. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. A Meta spokesperson said the ad is to present an alternative view to AI doomers. Even Zuckerberg wrote in a post accompanying the video, "We're focused on giving every person the tools to reach your full potential and making sure the benefits of technology are distributed to everyone." By the way, this is the same company which laid off many thousands of its own staff thanks to AI. Same company that's been accused of using AI to justify cuts that disproportionately affected workers on medical leave. The same company that's being sued by publishers for training its AI on copyrighted material. So what are the benefits of AI? It's hard to say because the commercial didn't show any of Meta's AI features. It just shows a crowd walking, people smiling, a couple dancing, then cuts to someone scrolling Facebook, the Instagram logo, and a WhatsApp chat. Sure, these apps are flooded with AI features, but none are visible in the video. There's a brief moment where the video cuts to the words Meta's latest AI model, Muse Spark, on a laptop screen. And a moment later, the Meta AI interface appears. But there's no indication of what these tools can actually do. It wouldn't be the first time Zuckerberg has been vague about the future of AI. He now talks about AI with the same enthusiasm he once had for the metaverse, and we all know how that ended. The final 15 seconds of the video featured Meta's smart glasses, just the latest frames, but again, no references to AI. Meta might believe the future's for everyone, but it failed to convey that in its ad. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates.